Another important thing to know next to display logic is how to randomize statements. So let's take this matrix question that we made, and I'll show you how we can randomize statements in this matrix question. You click it, you scroll down, and where we also had display logic, you have other options. I'm skipping over skip logic, ironically, and carry over statements, etc., and going to randomization, which is a feature you will more often use than these others. If you click statement randomization, you can select several options. This is the most often used option, display answers in a random order. You save that, and what happens is two squirrely things appear here. What Qualtrics will now do is it will randomize the presentation order of these three statements, meaning that every participant will see these three statements in a random order, which can sometimes help you to offset specific order effects of items, in case you want to do that. It's a matter of scientific debate whether that's preferable or not to using the same order of items.